What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Blazing Emerald. In the last episode, we defeated Flandre and our dad Norman. And in today's episode, we are gonna go to the place where Venona stays. Team Sky leader Mike is simping for her. Okay, looks like I don't have any freaking repels, so I'm gonna buy them. Bye. You don't have repels. You just love it when they don't have repels. Okay. Hi, Avengers TV. It's me, Steven. We met in the cave near Dewford. Have you met any kinds of Pokemon since I last saw you? There are many kinds of Pokemon in this wide world for ours. If you wanted to raise only your first, that's fine. Perhaps you would find it more fun to raise all sorts of Pokemon. As a trainer of Pokemon, what do you think? Of course, it's not any of my business. It would be nice if we were to meet again somewhere. Yeah. Hey, Centret, which is level 33. Okay. Oh, what the hell is that? A level 35 Devotion? Oh, apparently it's grass type too. Okay, let's go for ancient power. At the Weather Institute, let's heal up our party. Okay. Yes, try attack, which is going to be a flying type special move. Nice. Okay. Ha 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 ha. Okay. Bop. Bye bye, Moonriser. Oh, you survived. Okay, now you're gone. We received a cursed form. Okay, nice. Oh, hi, May. Bye bye, Pelipper. Bye bye, Ludicolo. Let's see. Okay, we got our special attack rose, and oh, we get our special attack rose if we got hit by an fire type. Okay, ancient power, showing its power. Crystallize. May freeze. Okay, I'll get rid of fail. Oh, you pretty girl. May. HMO to fly. Nice. Okay, Scott. Let's go. Ah, yes, for the city. And why is there a freaking grass patch? Oh, it would be pretty helpful for grinding if there are some Pokemon. Okay, spin rack level. So let's see what are the Pokemon out. It's like Emerald Kaizo, right? Yeah, there are Emerald Kaizo grass patches. Bye bye, Swablu. Swablu. Hi, Steven. Oh, hi, Amanda Stevie. Hi, it's been a while. There's something here that you can't see right now. If I had to use the ways on this invisible obstacle, no, rather than describing it, I just show you. That would be more fun. Yes. And okay, I'll show you the power of Crystallonics then. Level 41 Crystallonic. Crystallize. Okay, we changed it to rock type. I don't know how good that is because I have surf. Okay, unexpected. Okay, I'd like to have this. Okay, this is called the Devon's Cube. Okay, there's plenty of time enough for me to take on Venona. I'm feeling pretty confident about Venona because I have a Crystallonics with Aurora Beam and Crystallize. I have a Drought Sprath which has Thunderbolt. Yeah, and I have Thunderbolt on Chinchou, but it's lower level. I secured this gym puzzle, really checked my levels as an Pokemon trainer. Okay, what is that thing I just saw? Oh, that thing is ground type too. Yeah, I remembered that thing. That thing is pretty broken, right? Yeah, that thing is pretty broken. I think it has an attack boosting ability or something. Okay, everybody is level 45. Okay, so let's go. Hey, you just had a mere tropius. Okay, that thing can't do a thing to me. Oh shit. Okay. Yeah, this puzzle sucks. Yeah. Yes. And yeah. Okay, let's talk to Winona. Okay, I'm Winona. I'm the gym leader of the Fortress Gym. I have become one with Bird Pokemon and have soared the skies. However, grueling the battle, we have triumphed with grace. Witness the elegant choreography of Bird Pokemon and I. Okay, Winona. Later, Winona wants to battle. Let's go for ancient power. Okay, brave bird. Okay. Okay, get an Omni Boost. Nope. Okay. Okay, Tropius, you survived. Okay, but bye-bye, Tropius. You are freaking kidding me, right? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Trash. Okay, now Skarmory can handle this thing. Sizzlebeak. Okay. Okay, we burned that thing. That's good enough. Okay. So can we win with a Chincha? Let's find out, okay? You have that thing, I will go for Thunderbolt. Okay, that thing went for trash. I'm gonna Sizzlebeak that thing because I'm gonna burn. And now I just need to roost up. Okay, that thing got confused. It hurt itself in confusion. Okay, now that thing is gone. He went for earthquake, but yeah, we survived. Okay, bye bye, Dodrio. You have a Togekiss. Okay. Okay, Togekiss, let's see. Oh, you survived. Shit. But you are gone. Togekiss, bye bye. Wow, Winona is too strong because I didn't grind enough. I probably grind everybody up to level 50 for the next episode. Yeah, I failed to reach your height. Never before have I seen a trainer command Pokemon with more grace than I. In recognition of your prowess, I present you to give this badge. Amanda Stevie received the gym badge. Okay, we got TM40 Aerial S. Brave Bird. Okay, nice. And yeah, that's the episode for you guys. Also guys, in the next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Blazing Emerald, I'm gonna finish this game quick. I'll off-screen grind everybody up to level 50 and I'll probably add the evolutions maybe end of this episode or probably at the start of the next episode. And yeah, peace out.
ਗੱਡੀ ਲੈਂਬਗੀਨੀ ਪੀਲੇ ਰੰਗ ਦੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਏ ਚਲਾਵੇ ਸਲੋਲੀ ਉਹ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਗੇਰ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੋੜਦੀ ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਨੀ ਏ the one and only